Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cooter's Cards. We're in another day of our coronavirus relief, just opening up some cards. I had some cards that I purchased at Walmart a while ago that were on the clearance rack. They're the 2018 Series 1. So I thought before we got into a bigger box, it might be fun to open these up. I know there's a lot of short prints and some variations in here. I'm not going to know them all, but we'll dive into it and see what we find. We got two of them to do, and like I was saying, I want everything to go about 10 minutes. So if we run close to 10 minutes, we might do one. Might do one tomorrow night if we have the time. We'll get them both in tonight. So let's open this up and see what we find inside here. So we got a one-player exclusive, looks like weekend commemorative patch card inside. We'll put that over here, and then all the packs. So got a Cesar Hernandez, Glacius, Brandon Woodruff, a rookie card, Buster Posey, one of the 35 throwback year cards, opening day, Miguel Cabrera, Corey Kimball, Cleveland Indians team card, Atlanta Braves team card, Gary Sanchez, and Chris Tillman on that first run. Oops, go. Luis Perdomo, Alex Avila, Andrew McCutchen, Nicky DiMartino. Put that down there. Boston Red Sox. Looks like that might be, I'll see if it's anything special or not. We'll have to look that up later. Andrew McCutchen. Trevor Story, the Seattle Mariners. Cam Bordsky and Marcel Ozuna. And like I said, I'm not sure who all the big hits are in here. We're going to have to go through these a little bit, and then we'll find out. Some of them might have to research, and maybe we'll do the same thing I did before. If we find anything interesting, we'll do a little bit of a review on out there and put that out there for you. Luis Santos, Dominic Smith, rookie card. Amin Rosario, shortstop, the 35-year card and a rookie card on there. We'll put that down there to take a look at. Londo Merced. Yasmin Grandel. The Angels, Carlos Correro. That might be his rookie card, but it's not marked as a rookie card. Brandon McCarthy. And Aaron Judge, Topps Now number 2. 8,000 copies. Let's see what it says. TN2. So maybe we'll throw Aaron Judge up on our little podium up here until we find someone else to knock him off there. Mitch Moreland, Chris Davis, future star of Orlando, Arsenio, shortstop for the Brewers. Eric Freddie, superstar sensation Freddie Freeman, Chris Sale, Colorado Rocky team card. Michael Lorenzo, Lamet, and Danny Salazar. Mike Folowinski, AJ Ramos, league leader Chris Sale, rookie card of Ryan McMahon. We'll throw that down up there too. Joey Votto for the Reds, Billy Gardner, Yankees outfielder, Miami Marlins, Edward Diaz, Antonio Sanzelta, Stephen Piscotty. And I'm probably butchering some of these guys' names too, but I'll do the best I can and we'll keep going. Brandon Dury, Ryan Braun, Steven Strasburg, Rafael Devers. That's his rookie card with the Topps All-Star Cup on there. We'll put that down here next to this. I think there was 3 or 4 cards in there. There's some variations. Cam Gallagher, rookie card with the Royals. Miguel Cabrera, their home run challenge card. You pick the game for 2019 Home Run Derby. I think that's going to be a little late. Mark Reynolds, Jody Mercer, Marvin Gonzalez, and Andre Beltre. So between the Judge and the Devers card, it's probably a toss-up, but we're going to leave Aaron Judge up there on the podium for right now. See if we can find something else in there. Garrett Richards, Martin Prado, Matt Adams, Ozzie Albies, rookie card with the Braves. I think that's another good hit that we got. Zach Davies, Zach Wheeler, Rafael Devers, 35-year throwback card and his rookie card in there. That's got to be another good hit too. Francisco Lindar. I'm not sure if that's an opening day card. We'll set that up over here and look at that one later. Ian Kennedy and Justin Smoke. I think that was a pretty good pack for what we got out of there. Irvin Santana, Mark Marquez. There we go. That's a Cody Bellinger. I think that's a league leader, but might be one of his rookie cards too. We'll throw that down here too for later. Luis Savino, Field Award winning Eric Hosmer, Manny Machado, Neil Walker, Diaz, shortstop, Julio Urias, and the last card in that pack is Gio Gonzalez. Jorge Polanco, Edmund Newis, Chris Davis, Daniel Murphy. There's J.D. Davis, rookie card for the Astros. We'll have to set that aside too. Nolan Arenado for the Rockies, opening day. That's, I think, part of his rookie cards. Alex Brugman, Carlos Caricio, Nelson Cruz, and Christian Valquez. So I'm thinking so far we haven't done too bad with these with this first box. This is our last pack, and then we have the one exclusive card left to open too. So we'll see what else we can get out of here. Bruce Maxwell. Miguel Andujar, rookie card, third baseman for the Yankees. Brian Anderson, third baseman. Manny Machado, legend in the making card. Chris Bryant, opening day card. Brian Finnegan. Who's on first with Harper and Ruzio? Jared Lowry. And the last card out of that pack is Jonathan Scoop. So we'll get into this last one here and see what we have. There's say there was something funny in here. And it looks like we got a Miguel Cabrera, a commemorative patch card. Let's see, congratulations. So it's numbered number 14 out of 99. That's a nice looking card. Got to be a nice looking hit. So what I'll do is review these, and then tomorrow we'll open up that second box and see what we can find on there, and then I will let you know what we have. Thank you, and we'll see you later.